First thing we do in creating a Google Earth tour is, of course, open Google Earth. Next, click on Places, and then select My Places. From the top toolbar, click on Add, and then Folder. When the box appears, you want to name this Google Earth Tour and your last name. In this case, it's Burton. When you click OK, this will appear in My Places. We're going to show the locations of several of the landforms where we live. To start our tour, we want to go to our first location. In this case, the landforms of Chiang Mai. We're going to start at Hoi Tung Tau Lake in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Click Search, and Google Earth will zoom into that location. This is my hometown of Chiang Mai. Okay, so first what you want to do is take a moment to experiment with the various features, the zooming in and zooming out buttons, the view, the type of view which is a straight top view or the more horizontal ground view. And then you also have this compass here, up or north, down or south, right or east, and left or west. So let's go ahead and add our first place mark. Zoom in to the location, the place you want. In this case, it's Hoi Tung Tau Lake. So then you go to the top toolbar and add place mark. When this yellow flashing push pin appears, place it where you want, in this case in the middle of the lake, and then name your place mark. In this case, it will be Hoi Tung Tau Lake. And click OK, and it shows up underneath my tour. Okay, next, you need to move to your next landform. You might need to zoom in or zoom out to do that. In this case, it's going to be zoom out a little bit. It's going to be Suthep Mountain. Okay? Now what you want to do is just basically repeat the procedure. Okay? What you want to do is go to the top toolbar, click on Add and Place Mark. Move the yellow flashing push pin to where you want, in this case right here on the top of Suthep Mountain. Name your place mark, Suthep Mountain. Click OK, and Suthep Mountain appears in your tour in your places. Okay, next landform. In this case, let's zoom out a little bit. this case, we're going to look at a landform of a valley. Okay, let's go down from the mountain to the valley, and this is Ban Pong Valley. So, once again, I'm going to repeat the procedure. I'm going to go to the top toolbar, go to Add, click on Place Mark, move the yellow flashing push pin to where I want, in this case, Ban Pong into the Ban Pong Valley, and go ahead and name it Ban Pong Valley. Click OK, and Ban Pong Valley is now under my Google Earth Tours version. So what you want to do is you want to basically repeat that for your 10 landforms. You need a minimum of 10 landforms. And once you have completed it, it's time to record the narration for your tour. Basically telling people the names of your landforms as you move from one to the other. So what we do here is we move to, so let me zoom out so we have all 3 of our place marks here, and we go to this icon here, which is record a tour. Click, and you'll have record a tour, and next to it is this mic icon. Press on the mic icon, and then you'll need to have your script ready to record your narration. So I'll go ahead and give you an example. To start our Google Earth tours of the landforms of Chiang Mai, we start at Hoi Tung Tau Lake. And from Hoi Tung Tau Lake, we move to Suthep Mountain. From Suthep Mountain, we move to Ban Pong Valley. Notice as I'm doing this, I'm clicking on each name of each landform. Okay, those are just a few of the landforms of Chiang Mai. Give me a little sense of the terrain where I live. When you're finished recording, simply press on the red button, and then this bar comes up here, which is going to allow you to check your recording. Start our Google Earth tours of the landforms of Chiang Mai. We start at Hoi Tung Tau Lake. So go ahead and listen and edit as needed. If you need to re-record it, go ahead and do it until you have the narration that you're satisfied with. Once you're completed with the narration, it's time to save the narrated tour. And what you want to do is go to the save, this cassette icon, click on that save button, and you're going to go ahead and give this a new name. So that we're going to go ahead and put it narrated Google Earth Tour version. And that will, again, click OK, that will, again, show up in under your tour. You can go ahead and click on it to check. Start our Google Earth tours of the landforms of Chiang Mai. We start at Hoi Tung Tau Lake. completes our instructions for creating a Google Earth tour. Good luck, and as always, contact me with any questions.